Hi, this is the 2002 Beneteau 331 Stella Maris for sale by South Coast Yachts, and I'm Paul Bryant. This boat is new to the market. She has a Simpson Lawrence anchor windlass and a 22-pound claw type anchor and profile filling Genoa. The sails were new in 2009, new 2009 Ullman Genoa and mainsail. It's an in-mast furling US spar mainsail. Boat's in excellent condition. Owner has kept her in good shape. She has, as you can see, canvas covers on the hatches to keep the sunlight out from down below. Rigging is in good condition. It's very clean. Well-made and comfortable Dodger bimini with a connector piece, and then full cockpit cushions inside the cockpit make it very comfortable. And she has covers over the isinglass on the Dodger to keep the sun out. So on deck, moving forward, as I mentioned, in-mast furling mainsail makes it very convenient and easy to sail. Boat's designed by Conch. It's a very good offshore racing boat designers, very successful. So she's a boat that will perform very nicely. As I mentioned, the anchor windlass in the anchor locker. You've got 50 feet of chain, 300 feet of rode in there. Some of the naming and the striping is degraded here, but the owner has purchased new stuff which will be put on. The boat has a 2011 full survey, and she's just been hauled out in April of 2012. New bottom paint, new cutlass bearing, new zincs, so she's ready to cruise for the summer. Very nice spacious cockpit, very comfortable. All lines are laid back to make it easier to handle and easy to single hand. As I mentioned, very comfortable with these beautiful matching cockpit cushions and stern rail seats here with pads on them. All the stuff is custom, and these nice backrests to make it comfortable for anyone sitting in the cockpit. She also has an outboard motor bracket. This bimini can fold back. Of course, the connector can come off, and good visibility from the helm through the window here. As far as electronics go, she has a Raymarine ST4000 wheel pilot, a Raymarine ST60 wind instrument, and then they've moved the tri-data depth and speed instrument down here because you can get all that information on the new Raymarine C80 chart plotter radar. It's a multi-function display. Very nice system. Also nice little touches, little 12-volt socket here, and very generous cockpit locker. Has a life sling mounted on the port quarter. 489 hours currently on the Yanmar diesel. And we shall go and take a look down below. Going below in Stella Maris, immediately to port there's an L-shaped galley, very comfortable and cozy. Big deep refrigerator over here with a freezer compartment, Adler Barber 12-volt refrigerator. Immediately behind that, GE microwave, and plenty of drawers, cupboards. Nice feature that Beneteau provides on this generation of boats is a good storage, large storage for pots and pans, which is hard to find on boats. It also has a dual stainless steel sink and a Force 10 2-burner stove with oven. To starboard, you have the head and shower. The toilet is less than a year old. It's the new Jabsco twist lock toilet. Very little smell. The boat smells very clean and fresh. To starboard and aft, you've got the aft cabin. One thing you'll notice is plenty of ventilation and light. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 ports, 3 of them opening. Large bunk, and then a good size hanging locker. It's got the hardwood floors, which are really nice. They're in very good condition. Virtually no scratches or dings in them. Very, very good shape. Navigation station to port. You have a stereo CD player with cockpit speakers and standard VHF radio. There is also an outlet. The 110 volt systems, there's also an outlet here that's run through a pure sine wave inverter for charging a laptop. Of course, in the salon here, this table goes down and there's a filler cushion here that makes it into a bunk. So this is a view of the salon with the filler cushion on the salon table. Give you an idea of what it looks like. Obviously when it's made into a bunk, that's lowered down. Then moving forward in the salon, these salon cushions, by the way, the fabric looks almost brand new. Very, very good condition. And generous size V-berth with good lighting, a nice hatch for ventilation, light, and then hanging locker on this side. Inside the hanging locker here there's a 400 watt pure sine wave Xantrex inverter that powers the flat screen LCD TV. And that is the 2002 Beneteau 331 Stella Maris, for sale by South Coast Yachts, and I'm Paul Bryant. Please email me at paul@scyachts.com for more information. I also have a web album with over 130 photos available that will give you a good idea of her condition.